Nawili bula.
Maburaya was formerly a jungle at the edge of a river of Afra. In the far sides of a river were mountains high and steep.
I don't want my father to know about our relationship.
Can you speak louder?
Yes, sir.
Why Gabriela? Is there a problem?
Yes, there is. My father wants me to marry either Sakulay or Revenador.
But Gabriela, I love...
I love you too. Father would very angry if he knows about our relationship. He's not in favor of you. He doesn't want you to be my husband. What should we do?
Ani-Anihan, the god of harvest, was in love with Maburaya, the goddess of healing. Her mother, Lady Mabini, knew about their mutual understanding, but they didn't want to tell it to Abra because they're afraid that they will be punished by Abra's disapproval to Ani-Anihan.
Would you like to come with me, Gabriela?
Where?
In a place where your father can reach us. A place where we can feel his soul or love to each other. Let's go.